we greet una, welcome una to Real News Channel. Una know say na ogbonge updates na we dey come sama una for this our channel. Abeg, if na the first time una dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos so that those wey never see am go see am. Una do well. Oya na make we quickly enter the matter wey we carry come for una.
Make una come see the moment when Dino take challenge Makinde over Atiku matter. My people, no be small thing o. Hey my people, this Dino wey dey use style dey talk and by force dey talk, e don come out again o. This time around he challenge Makinde wey be the governor of Osun State over Atiku matter. The meeting wey the PDP and NAS members hold on how they wan take get power back, na inside the meeting Dino so for challenge Makinde o. My people, no be small thing o. The challenge no be here o. Makinde on the other hand react back to her o. Anyway my people, make I leave una, make una watch this video and see the drama wey happen between Dino and Makinde. Make una watch the video, we dey come.
Dino, question or comment? I haven't asked you to speak. Comment or question?
Question, comment.
Please, let's restrict ourselves to question, please.
Protocol respectfully of that.
We have leaders before us. Please, let's restrict ourselves to questions.
I just want to start by appreciating the comment of Governor Makinde this morning, particularly where he said healing starts now. And the way to start that healing is, I will be glad if between now, next week and 2 weeks that will be at the tribunal, to see Governor Makinde walk into the tribunal venue and sit down to support the party, our candidates, and to demonstrate to Nigerians that the party, the healing has started. To demonstrate to the world that PDP is united. That will show that the healing has truly started. And not just only the Governor Sheyi, any of our governors, it is time for us to take this tribunal seriously. We should allow only our lawyers to attend these tribunals. Please, if you find yourself in Abuja, you can stroll in and spend 30 minutes, 1 hour. Let the world know that there's a new PDP that is big, that is strong and reliable, and we are one indivisible party, and we are supporting this tribunal to take over power. The second comment, the second one has to do with the tribunal at the state level. Both members of the House of Assembly, House of Reps and Senators, I want to appeal to our governors. The way you are taking your own tribunals seriously, I will appeal to you, sir, to take all our members of the National Assembly and the House of Assembly in tribunals. Take their cases very seriously. Take over their tribunals. Because if you are practically involved in those tribunals, we will win more seats.
Hi my people, Dino, you get vibes, not be small, you get mouth. Anyway my people, the update we will carry come for this time around. Make una drop una comment and see and reason am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well, see you in our next video.